Hello, my sewing friends. Hey, I have fabric to show you.
Woohoo!
I'm Jen, and this is my sewing room where I have fabric. And this isn't just fabric, generally speaking. This is actually fabric I went to Joann's and to Hobby Lobby and got today with patterns in my hands as I walked in. So these are specifically for these patterns, and I never ever do that. Never. I always, when I fabric shop, it's like, oh, I like that, and I'll just put that in my stash. These are things I did not have fabric for, or at least I didn't have anything that I liked that I thought was going to work. So let me show you what I got. Let's start out with Hobby Lobby. I found this Liverpool knit. This was not expensive. All their fabric is 40% off. I'll tell you all the amounts. So 40% off. So it ended up being $4.19 a yard. $4 a yard. For it's kind of a thicker knit. It's all polyester, and I got this to make this. This is McCall's 7016, and it is from 2014. And I like this. I've wanted to make this dress, it's View C, for a while now, and I've had the pattern for a while too. I really like the look of it, you know, the way it's kind of fitted through here and that big shawl collar. And I don't know if I'll do a contrasting color or collar with this at all. I mean, white knit is easy to find, and I could probably even find some white solid Liverpool, but yeah. I thought this would really, it's subtle enough that I just thought, oh yeah, that would work nicely for that. So that's going to be that specific dress. I have to tell you, I got some lining fabric, which is called Posh. This is, that's Joann's name for it, because we are now moving on to Joann's. And I got it for swimsuit lining, thinking, oh yeah, I'll just get some of that. Duh, this stuff doesn't stretch. I don't know what I was thinking. Although I realized it after it was cut, and I went ahead and just got it because I thought, you know what? I often need lining for things. So this will be nice to have. I just made a lined dress, and so I thought, oh yeah, that'll work. So that's for that. I really liked this knit. These are all knits because that's what I went in for. I have Simplicity 9222. This is from 2021, and I love the drape of this dress. I think if you do this right, then it's going to be gorgeous. So I found this kind of a tie-dye knit from their Pop collection. It was 30% off, and I can't remember how much it was. It was probably like $12.99, so whatever 30% of that is. But I thought, yeah, that would really be nice. I think that would go with that really nicely. You think? Yeah, so I like the colors in it, and I thought it was subtle enough, has enough of a print, so it'll give it some movement, and yet you won't really lose the definition of the drape on that. So yeah, I thought, ooh, that'd be nice. Actually, I debated on double gauze for that, and then I thought, that's not going to have enough stretch, and I'm going to be sorry, and I didn't want to be sorry. So even though Joann's apparently does have the softest, the absolute softest double gauze, mixed feelings on it though. You know, some people love it, some people hate it. So anyway, I got a couple of yards of this. Now this is no big deal. This is just no, it's not polyester. It's cotton interlock. It's like mostly cotton with a tiny bit of lycra in it. And I got it because I just made a cardigan, and I did it with a big 4 pattern. I can't remember now which one. Do I remember? No, I don't remember. I think it might have been Quick Sew. I don't know. Anyway, I was kicking myself when I made that, and I have been kicking myself ever since, that I didn't make the Harper cardigan from Sinclair. It's a free pattern, And I love it. It works every time. And I thought, why didn't I just make it out of that? So I got some more white knit that I could make a Harper cardigan from. So that's what this is about. So that is actually the extent of the fabric haul. I do want to show you one more thing. I pulled this out of my stash, and this is a waffle knit. Kind of like, you know, thermal, like t-shirts are made from. Thermal Henleys are often made from a waffle knit. And this one just has cupcakes all over it. And I've had it for a while. I think I got it at Joann's when I went to a store and they were closing it out to move everything to a new location, and stuff was so cheap, and I got a whole, like a bolt of this. And so, so I thought I would use New Look 6626, which I've had for not very long. This is from like this year, I think. Oh no, 2019. But this is still in the books, so you can find it. It's just a little, like a peasant top that's a dress. And I thought, oh, it's a little shift dress, and I would love that. So I got this, and I was thinking, this will be like a muslin. And if I don't like it, then I don't have to worry that I used really nice fabric. But if I do like it, if it's like, I love this dress, then I might use the tie-dye for that and then find something else for the simplicity draped dress. But I kind of doubt it. I think this will be fine for that little dress. So that's everything. Just wanted to share that with you because at Joann's, you can get those fabrics now if you like them, and also at Hobby Lobby. So, well, Hobby Lobby is hit and miss though. But if I can find it on the website, I will link it below. And I will also link all the Joann's fabrics below. That's it for the fabric haul. For the prayer card, this one says, all scripture is inspired by God and is useful to teach us what is true. 2 Timothy 3:16. I agree. It is useful. Good information, good way to live your life. Even if you don't believe any of the theology, I still swear that living a Christian life is the best way to live. So, okay, I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.